Hello students, let us see this question here. The moment of inertia of the disk is minimum about the axis coinciding with the diameter. Okay, so let us take here. So this is the disk coinciding with the diameter. Moment of inertia is mr square. Right, about the central axis it is mr upon 2. So about this will be mr square upon 4. Okay, the tangential to the rim and lying in the plane of the disk. So this is the first case. First case is this. If I talk about the second case, so this is the disk here. It is saying tangential to the disk and lying to the plane. So here you will right here about this axis you can say about the center of axis, right, about an axis passing through the center of mass, that will be mr square upon 4. So mr square upon 4 plus this distance is r, so that will be md square, so mr square. So here the I will be this, here the I is coming this. Alright. Now it is saying passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the plane of the disk. So if I take the option 3 here, so this is the disk and it is talking about this axis. So about this axis already I know, perpendicular axis it is saying. So here the moment of inertia is mr square upon 2. Okay, now it is saying for any axis passing through center of mass. So any axis, so if right, once again if you take the option 4 here, so for any axis passing through center of mass, okay, so you can take once again this axis. Okay, so if you take the perpendicular axis, so here the moment of inertia will be variable for any axis passing through center of mass. So it is saying moment of inertia is minimum about an axis. So obviously option 1 is there coinciding with the diameter, because here it is mr square upon 4, this is greater, and fourth is saying any axis passing to center of mass. So if I take once again, right, if I take the axis once again passing through center of mass and perpendicular to the plane of the disk, then once again here the moment of inertia will get mr square upon 2. So option 4 is also wrong, it is not minimum. Option 3 is also not minimum, option 2 is also not minimum. So option 1 is coming correct here. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.